Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website using the Siteground hosting provider. For those who don't know what Siteground is, it is a very popular hosting service, especially for those who build WordPress websites. Not everyone likes it, but I personally think it's a good hosting option, especially for simple and small websites. One of the main reasons I like it and recommend it is because it comes with a ton of features that help you build site easily and quickly. And before we start, please hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you have comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below the video and I'll try to answer them all. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we will do is go to siteground.com. And as you can see, it's a very similar hosting to others. They offer different plans for different needs. Here you can see the 3 plans they offer. Currently I have the Go Geek plan, which allows me to create unlimited sites and be able to access all the features they offer. Although I do not use all the functions, today I'll show you which ones seem most practical for the creation of a WordPress site. Okay, so once you have chosen the plan that suits you, you will need to log into your account. Let's do that. Of course, I already have my account, so let's log in. Once you have logged into your account, the first thing you will see is this homepage, which is quite useless. So let's go straight to the websites tab. And here you will see all the sites created within your account. As you can see, I have many sites created for different clients and personal projects. Okay, so the next step is to click here on New Website. And here you will find 3 alternatives. You can create and buy a new domain directly here on Siteground. You can also set up a domain that you have already registered, or you can create a temporary and free domain while you decide on the official domain for your new website. I personally use this option a lot when I have to develop a site for a client, or I just want to develop an idea, something that I have in mind. So now let's select this one. And after clicking, you can see that an URL has been created automatically. So let's click on continue. Here, well, in this step, we must choose between creating a new site or migrating an existing project. We will create a new website. Now we see these 3 options, and we can also create an empty site. In this case, what we want to do is create a new website in WordPress. So let's select this option. And the next step is to add our credentials. So let's add an email and a password. Okay, so let's click continue. And as a last step, they show us this offer that we don't want, so click on finish. Now we just wait a moment. It usually takes between 2 to 5 minutes, and once the process is complete, we will receive an email and we will be able to see the website in the Siteground dashboard. As you can see, the site has been created, and from here we can access site tools, WordPress admin, and all site options, which we will review later. So first, let's go to Site Tools. Site Tools is like the cPanel that Siteground gives you for each site you create. And here you can create new email accounts, access your files through the file manager, have some security and speed configurations, and many other things. I won't get too deep into this, maybe I'll do a review later. And the next step, what we will do is go to security, go to SSL manager, and here you will see your domain already selected. And we have these 3 options: I think this is a paid one, but we will choose let's encrypt and let's get that SSL certificate. So the process will take a few minutes, so we will wait. You can see the certificate has been created and it's active. And one important thing is that it has an expiration date, so do not forget to renew it on this date. Now let's click on these three dots and click there and click on Enforce HTTPS. Here we're going to activate this option, and with this we ensure that the files and navigation of the site is always from a secure URL with HTTPS. With this we are ready now, so we're going to leave Site Tools. Let's go back to the account. Let's go to Websites, and the next thing we will do is go to the WordPress admin. So let's click here. As you can see, it's going to open a new tab. And the first thing we see is this is not the classic WordPress panel. Siteground by default installs some of their own plugins. In particular, this plugin allows you to do some basic configurations to the site. I personally don't use it, don't like it, so I'm gonna skip it. I will disable. I will show you, these are the plugins that by default Siteground installs. This one, the first one, Central, is the one that is like an installation wizard. But these other two, I recommend you to keep them, especially the optimizer, because it will help a lot with your site performance. Okay, with this done, we can see that our new WordPress site is ready. Let's check the website. You go here and you can click on Visit Site, and there you go. Here's our new WordPress website. We have a sample page that it comes with the default WordPress installation. We can edit this page. This will have the new blog editor. This is just a normal WordPress website. I think the installation comes with the 3 themes that WordPress by default has. These are the same 3 that you will have if you did the installation manually. So you can choose between these ones or add a new theme. So with your site already installed, the next step will be to start editing the style or changing the theme, and of course adding some content. So let's think that you have your site ready, you modify the style or change the theme, you have added some pages, some posts, and you want to publish the site on a domain that you just bought. So what do I do to change this temporary domain to the official one? Go back to the Siteground account, and we need to go to this All Site Options. So let's click here. This will take you to this page, and we're going to click on these 3 dots, which will bring up this menu, and here we can select Change Primary Domain. This option will allow us to change the temporary domain to the official one. I'll show you. And in just a few minutes, the site will be published on the new domain. So that's it. You, of course, need to confirm this, and the site will be ready in the new domain. Alright guys, that's it. This was the tutorial on how to create a WordPress website on Siteground. As you can see, Siteground makes it very easy and fast. In just a couple of clicks you can have your website up and running. In the next video, I'll teach you about the WordPress Divi theme. It's a very popular theme. I personally use it a lot for different projects, different types of websites, especially websites that I need to develop quickly. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave your comments. I will leave in the description some links of services that I use and recommend. Thanks for watching.